Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about PCB design software. So what is called a PCB design? If we open our electronic devices and if we are seeing a green color board will be available, that is called a PCB board. So PCB means printed circuit board. So nearly each and every electronic device in the world is having a PCB board. So how we can do without the manpower? Yes, of course, our electronics engineer are designing this PCB boards. So there is a lot of opportunity in PCB design. The top three softwares in PCB design are ARCAD. The next thing is Altium Designer. Then comes the Eagle. So we can name lot of softwares. These are the three major softwares which is playing a major role in PCB design. Equivalent to this, right now, an open source software is emerging which is named as KiCad. Okay, so we are going to see about the KiCad software. Since it is an open source, we are free to use. So everybody can download this software without any license. You can use this software. Okay, let's start our download and installation part.
First, in Google, type KiCad. So this is the official website for KiCad. So click this one. It will redirect to the KiCad page. So this is the KiCad official website. So KiCad EDA. KiCad EDA means Electronic Design Automation. Since this is an open source, lot of members are contributing for this KiCad. So the major contributor for this KiCad is CERN, or otherwise we can call it as European Organization for Nuclear Research. So that is the organization which is contributing major of the KiCad projects. So in this website you can see what are the KiCad features available: schematic capture, PCB layout, 3D viewer, all these features are available. We are going to see in our future tutorials also. First let us see how to download this one. Here they have given the download option. Click this download option. It will redirect to another page. Okay, so here you are seeing lot of OS. So here they have given the support for different types of OSs like Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows. These are all Linux distributions. Since this is an open source, it is much contributed by Linux sources only. Okay, so here we are going to download for Windows. Click this Windows. Okay, it will open on another one page. In this page you can download the KiCad software. Click this. If you are using 64-bit, download from 64-bit, or else 32-bit means you can download from 32-bit. So click this 64-bit. So it will ask for download. Give for save file. It started downloading. Once it get downloaded, we will see how to install that versions. Okay, our file has been downloaded. Double click this KiCad file. Now give OK. So the installation has been started. It will take a couple of time while installing this software. It will take around nearly 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe even 20 minutes. Click next. Next. You don't want to check all those things, just click next. Install. So previously I said it will take nearly around 20 minutes. Why? Because all the packages are getting extracted. With this software bundle itself, they have given the PCB footprints, the libraries necessary for taking the symbols, footprints, all those things will be included in this bundle. So it will take a couple of time to install this software. Once the installation is finished, we will see how to open the KiCad. So the installation has been completed. Then go for finish. So see here, a icon has been created. Click that icon. So this is the project manager window of the KiCad software. First we need to see the version. So here 5.1.5. Now the latest version of KiCad is 5.1.6. This is how we need to download and install the KiCad software. In the next video we will see what are the features of the KiCad software. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.